Farm unions are going to be deciding their future course of action today. Samyukta Kisan Morcha's 9-member core committee meeting is underway and the full body meeting is going to start anytime at Singhu border to decide what next. Farmers' key meeting comes a day after their agitation completed 1 year. This as farmer unions have planned tractor rallies to Parliament from Monday onwards. Farmers from Rajasthan, Haryana and other states have been asked to attend this meeting, which is going to be seeing the final roadmap for farmers' demands, including law and MSP, and also compensation for deceased farmers' families, among other demands. Meanwhile, Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, has confirmed that law and MSP is unlikely. He met Prime Minister Modi, saying that it's going to put a great deal of pressure on the government if at all such a law was to be brought about.
देखिए, अभी तो इस पर चर्चा कोई हुई नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी किसानों में या जो विशेषज्ञ हैं, जो अर्थशास्त्री हैं कृषि के, उन सबको भी अलग अलग राय उनकी आ रही है कि ये किसी प्रकार से कानून बनाना इसमें संभव नहीं लगता है। कारण क्या है, कानून बनाने के बाद सरकार के ऊपर ये उन्नस आ जाता है कि सारी फसल फिर अगर कोई और नहीं खरीदे तो सरकार खरीदेगी। तो सरकार का इतनी आवश्यकता भी नहीं है और उसका एक सिस्टम बनना संभव भी नहीं है।
Shreya Chatterjee is getting us more details on that story. Shreya, now that there is a confirmation that the bill to repeal the farm laws will be tabled in Parliament in Lok Sabha on Monday itself, the beginning of the winter session, does it look like the farmers will at least for the time being think about reducing the intensity of their protest, so to speak, because at least some portion of what they were asking for, some of the demands have been met with, isn't it?
Well, absolutely so, Sneha. I mean, we're seeing very different voices here today at the Singhu just before the bigger meeting that is going to start any time from now. It was scheduled at 12 and the core committee meeting is already under its way, where the 9-member core committee is right now meeting at Singhu. That meeting is underway. It's post this that we will see that larger body meeting. And we spoke with many farmers over here who are present right now, who will also take part in that larger body meeting. Some are saying that, we should go back, take some rest, come back with a better vigor for the fight for MSP. Others still say that we have to fight the fight for MSP from this stage. Conflicting voices, hence that meeting will become very interesting, but there could be a decision as well where we might just see that the farmers are agreeing on going back and lowering the intensity of the protest, and that final call on whether or not the 29th November tractor march to the Parliament will happen or not. That will come up in this crucial meeting at 12.
Shreya, thanks so much for getting us all of those details, Shreya, with that report. Shreya, of course, telling us that the meeting is going to be starting in just some time from now.